Yes, as you can see, this is the full house of the pig, the full house. But now I'm going to enter inside so that you can be able to see it very well. Yes, now I'm walking towards inside the place. Yes, you can see it very well. You can see everywhere very well. This how inside look. Even this gutter, this is where their sheep always pass. You can see it inside here like this. You can see their room is very clean. We always wash it. We wash it 2 times a day. We wash it. This, you can see them. Yes. This house inside, look, you can see it. It's a very big place. Very big place. You can see it. See, this is their room. You can see their room. Their room is very clean and neat. We used to wash it, so you can see the drainage. This is where the drainage is. Anytime we wash it, this is where the drainage is. We always wash it very well so that the room will no smell. Understand?